First, search for Blynk on Google and open the official Blynk website. Click on Sign Up and create a new account using your email address. After entering your email, click Sign Up. You will receive a confirmation email. Open that email and click Complete Setup. Now create a strong password and set your profile name. Next, go to the Developer Zone and click New Template. Enter a template name. Select ESP32. Then click Done. Now click on Data Streams and select New Data Stream. Choose Virtual Pin. Enter the name waterlevel. Select Virtual Pin V0. Set the unit to percentage. Set minimum value to 0 and maximum value to 100. Then click Create and click Save. Now we will configure notifications. Go to Events and Notifications. Click Create Event and choose Custom Event. Create the first event for low water and set the event code as low_water. Enable push notifications. Now create a second event for tank full and set the event code as tank_full. Enable all notifications. Now you have two events, one for low water and one for tank full. Next, go to Devices and click New Device. Select from Template. Choose your template and click Create. Open the device information page and copy the template ID. Paste them into your Arduino code. Now enter your Wi-Fi name and password in the code. Next, measure your water tank using a measuring tape. Measure the distance from the sensor to the tank bottom when empty and then measure the distance from the sensor to the water surface when full. Important notice, the ultrasonic sensor has a blind spot of 25 centimeters. Do not set the full tank distance below 25 centimeters because the sensor may give errors. Now go to Tools, then Board. Select your ESP32 board such as ESP32C3, choose the correct port, and click Upload. Now for the enclosure, I made this box manually using acrylic sheets. But if you want a more professional and precise finish, you can use Rapid Direct. Rapid Direct offers services like 3D printing, CNC machining, sheet metal fabrication, and more processes that are perfect for custom enclosures and mechanical parts. Their platform is designed for engineers, startups, and makers who need reliable production support. To get started, click Instant Quote on their website, choose the technology you need, and upload your CAD file. Then select the material, finish, and quantity. After configuring, you'll receive an instant quote. The ordering process is simple, efficient, and saves time when building custom projects. If you want to try it yourself, use my link in the description to get up to 20% off your first order.